Gold and silver, two heavyweight champs in the precious metals arena. But the big question for 2025 is, can silver outpace gold? Stick around as we delve into what the experts are saying. If you're curious about how to potentially boost your silver holdings, well, we've got some exciting offers from Goldco that you won't want to miss. More on that later, so let's go ahead and dive in. As of December 1st, 2024, gold is priced at around $2,600 per ounce, while silver is at about $30 per ounce. Both metals have seen price increases over the last year, with gold hitting record highs. However, some experts believe silver might have more potential for growth in the coming year. Daniel Boston, founder of Preserve Gold, says, "I believe silver will outpace and outperform gold in 2025. He points out that gold is already near its peak price, whereas silver is still well below its all-time high of nearly $50 per ounce back in 2011. Boston mentions for silver to return to its 2011 high, for the simple fact that gold is already there, could mean nearly doubling your dollar from current levels. Jose Gomez, a partner at Summit Metals, shares a similar outlook. He estimates a 25 to 30% rise in silver's price from today's levels, reaching around $38 per ounce. He believes silver could outperform gold due to increased industrial demand, especially in areas like solar energy, electric vehicle batteries, and high-end electronics. Silver is the better conductor of electricity than copper, which makes it the choice of metal for high-end electronics, Gomez explains. Wheaton Precious Metals CEO Randy Smallwood also points to rising industrial demand as a reason silver could outperform gold. He mentions that central banks have set new records in gold purchases, and now countries like Russia have announced plans to accumulate silver alongside other precious metals. It'll be interesting to see if other nations follow suit, potentially driving the demand for silver even higher. But not everyone agrees. Michael Martin, Vice President of Market Strategy at Trading Block, says, "I think it's very unlikely that silver will outperform gold in 2025. He points out that in inflationary environments, people typically turn to gold first. With Bitcoin drawing attention away from traditional hedges, silver might be further sidelined. So while there's ample evidence that silver could outperform, opinions are divided. The good news is that both metals are expected to continue rising. As Mark Charnett, founder and CEO of American Prosperity Group, suggests, gaining exposure to both metals could be beneficial." Now, speaking of opportunities, if you're looking to include precious metals in your financial strategy, Goldco has some special offers you might be interested in. Call Goldco right now to see how you could qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver and get a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. It's a limited time offer, and it is first come, first served for those who request their 2025 gold and silver kit. Not only will you get a free digital and physical copy of this gold and silver kit, but you'll also receive the free audio and video versions. So if you're thinking about adding precious metals to your portfolio, now might be a great time to see what options are available. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're on Team Gold or Team Silver, staying informed is the best way to make the most of your opportunities.